if you buy Kemppi's welding machine with robot, it's so easy to use. So starting up with this robot and this Kemppi welding machine takes about a couple of hours, and then you are ready to start welding. It's so cheap that the payback time is almost 1 year.
It's easy to utilize the robots and make a good production with the robot. The cycle time will be 3 times faster with the robots. The collaboration with Kemppi has been very well because it's a local company for us. The quality of the product, the capability of the product. There's many reasons to choose Kemppi.
Here we have a ABB Cover with Kemppi welding power source AX. Here we have also Kemppi torch, so copper torch. With this one we can easily make, for example, small weldings just for pressing 2 buttons and have a first welds for the workpiece. Another really nice thing is that we have the Kemppi interface for the welding machine over here in the Robotics standard. This is really easy to use. Even those welders who don't really like to use the robots, they can use a cobot. It's so easy.
The integration with Kemppi is very easy because we have been taking somewhat part to the development process as well for the interface between the Kemppi machine and the robots. More and more accessories for robotics and for welding are coming to the market what are based to AI. So they are checking, for example, the seams that are going to be welded, maybe doing some automatic adjustments to the parameters according to what they are seeing and things like that. So AI is definitely coming and taking away some labor shortages and some skills that are currently we lack of in Finland. So I think that AI is going to help.